The word we'll be learning in this section is shisei, which you will often hear in settings such as fitness classes, yoga, or discussions about someone's attitude towards work and life. The word sisei, pronounced as shisei, means posture or attitude. In general, it refers to the way someone holds their body or their stance in a physical sense. It can also denote someone's mental attitude or approach towards a particular situation or challenge. The first kanji means the visible form or appearance of a person or thing, basically the way something looks and the shape it takes. In the word sugatami, it helps convey the idea of seeing your whole appearance reflected in a mirror, and in shisei, it contributes the sense of the body's form that becomes posture. The second kanji means force or energetic momentum and often expresses power or influence in a situation. In seiryoku, it carries the idea of strength or influence behind an action. And in ikioi, it gives the sense of momentum or driving force behind something. That's a good posture. いい姿勢ですね。いい姿勢ですね。He has a bad posture. 彼は悪い姿勢です。彼は悪い姿勢です。He commutes in a preventative posture against the cold. 彼は防寒の姿勢で通勤しています。彼は防寒の姿勢で通勤しています。I will speak with a tense posture. 緊張した姿勢で話します。緊張した姿勢で話します。The most common synonyms of the word are taisei and taido. The word taisei specifically refers to the physical posture or position of the body, much similar to shisei. On the other hand, taido generally hints towards one's mental attitude or approach rather than a physical stance. The most common antonyms of the word shisei are gutara and ikagen. Gutara refers to someone being lazy or indolent, contrasting with the alertness or attentiveness often associated with good posture. Ikagen indicates a careless or sloppy attitude, opposing the idea of having a proper stance.